If you are facing a burst of energy on Monday and Tuesday, my biggest recommendation would be focus then on getting your L tasks done on those days. And if it's Monday, Tuesday, it's great because then by the middle of the week, you should already feel very good that you've gotten a lot of your work done. For the rest of the time, when you are not feeling as high energy, try to do your O and N tasks then. Try to do your other team management, operational tasks, or whatever else during those days, because those kind of tasks tend to be reactive. Somebody asks you for something, somebody calls you for a meeting, somebody needs your input on something. So it requires less willpower. When you're feeling very high energy on Monday, Tuesday, you will need less willpower. You'll need to expend less willpower to get shit done. So that's when you want to do the high leverage stuff. Because it's high leverage and it's high pressure and it's often difficult, it requires a lot of willpower. So do that when you don't need to expend a lot of willpower. And the other stuff, the reactive stuff, doesn't require willpower as much. Responding on Slack doesn't require willpower. This is why we keep getting distracted by Slack, because it doesn't require much willpower. In fact, we get a dopamine hit. If anything, it's like a drug. So save those kind of dopamine tasks for your Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. To the extent that you have a flexible schedule, that's when you can accommodate potentially even your life tasks. So don't do that many life tasks on Monday, Tuesdays, if you can prevent it. Instead, just integrate your life tasks in the middle of your Wednesday, Thursday, Friday as you're doing your N and O tasks, which don't require that much willpower, that are reactive, which you can sometimes do even with like Seinfeld playing in the background as an example. So those would be perhaps some tips I would offer.